Trello is a project management tool, a tool that organizes your projects into board. Trello is a tracking tool where you can find who is working on what, what's being worked on, so on. By using Trello, we can manage our project in a very productive way. Trello is a very simple, flexible, and well-organized tool. Hey guys, this is Chinmay. I'm going to demonstrate simpler way to use Trello. If you are a beginner or just wanted to refresh, then it's the video for you. Here we go, visit Trello.com. Sign up, it's free. So either way you can choose to sign up. Click here, sign up for your account. Select the option you wanted to go with. I select to continue with the Google. Just click on the Google. Here you can see the Trello interface. Using free version, we can do most of work. Workspace is the prime component. Basically, Workspace is a group of boards and people. Use it to organize your company, side hustle, family, or friends. As you can see, this workspace, and we need to create a workspace. Let's create a new workspace. Just click on this. And you will find create workspace option here. Just click the create workspace option. You will find the screen like this. So enter your workspace name. For the demo purpose, I am entering XYZ. Then choose your workspace type, which is mandatory. So if you click on the drop down, you can see different categories. So which is most appropriate, you choose that. So for demo purpose, I am selecting small business. Workspace description, you need to fill the description which is appropriate. So for now, I am not filling anything. Then finally hit the continue button. I will do this latter. I will hit this one. Then as you can see, XYZ workspace has been created. So here you have edit option. So you may edit the workspace details later. So as you know, one workspace may have one or many boards. So let's create a board. So here you can see create new board option. Just click on it. So it is asking for board title. Just put a board title. And create your board. So as you can see, your board name is sample. And here it is asking for the list. So add a list. Adding A1 as a list. I added 3 lists. You can see under each list, there are add card options there. Just click and enter your ad. So as you can see, I entered 3 cards under A1 list. For the demo purpose, I am going to show one existing workspace which I already created. This one is demo workspace. And you can see the demo workspace here. And in demo workspace, I have created HDM board. So I click on HDM. And you can see lists and cards I added. As you can see, I add one list product backlogs, second one sprint backlog, third one dev in progress, SIT1 and done and ready to release. So here you can see under product backlogs, I have added these many items. So web chart support, trading analysis, market depth statistics, AS enhancement, graph data. Just to show the demo, drag the cards. So if it is, you can drag the cards like that in different lists. So if it is in development in progress, once is development done, then it will be moved to SIT1. SIT1 is basic testing. Once you do the testing, then it's a kind of category of done. You can move to ready. So this kind you can iterate the cards into different list or different stages of list. And here you can see one edit option is there. You click on the edit option, and here you can see lot of things are there. And if you want to change the cover, so you select any color here. So suppose you want to add any members, then here you have option change member. One member is there, so I am choosing one member. So see, that member has been added. Similarly, you can invite more members and you can add to the respective task. If you want to delete or archive the card, then simple right click and choose the option archive, so it will be deleted. Suppose I'm dragging AS enhancement to this category, then I'm trying to edit. See, this is the category AS enhancement. So you can add description here, and also you can put the comment here. If you want to add the checklist, you just select the checklist option here, and suppose task 1. Similarly, you can say task 1 10%. Similarly, you can add the task status, checklist here, and also progress here. And if you want to add any attachment, you can click the attachment. If you want to change the cover, then you have to change the cover here. And if you add any member to this ticket, then you just click on the members and select the member. And if you wanted to filter based on a specific member, then you can hit out this filter option. Here I'm choosing cards assigned to me. So see, all cards related to me only, it's displaying. So here you can see only 3 cards are assigned to me. Similarly, you can check overdues and date time, all the things you can check here. And if you want to invite any member, then you go for this invite option and select the member. So if you click on recent, you will find all the votes which has already been created. Workspaces. So this will be displaying all the workspaces. To change the templates and all, background, everything, so every option is there, so you may choose your required type. That's as simple as that, guys. It's very simple tool and very easy to use. That's all, guys. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.